My name's Rich Ford. This is my business, Oakham Ford. We've been going for about 10 years now. We set up off the back of Prince's Trust. They helped us get started originally. The business has evolved over the last 10 years. We've done all sorts of weird and wonderful wacky bits and pieces. We had a successful wedding business making guest books, and that kind of got us into the world of the hospitality with pubs and restaurants and hotels, and kind of filled that niche a bit. We're now doing kind of full circle and going back to where I started, which is getting back into the world of high-end furniture. We moved to this premises about 5 years ago, and I came here on my own and thought we'd never fill it. And we've already now having a mezzanine floor put in because we've run out of space. As we got doing more and more stuff, it was either take more people on or get machinery that could do more work. So that's why we invested in all the Felder gear. So we invested in the large planer behind me. We've got the large spindle and also the thicknesser. Felder, it was a name that I was just aware of, got in touch, everyone was very helpful. It was great, obviously we got a good deal because we brought the 3 machines and the dust extractor at the same time. We upgraded on the planer and the thicknesser for the silent cutter blocks. The planer behind me is just coming to the end of its life of the blades. They've all been rotated the 4 times. The thicknesser is still only on its second set, over 4 years. It's brilliant. To start with, they don't ever have any load on them. You never hear that at the beginning when you put a great big piece of wood into them. You don't get the divots at the end of the cuts that you get with older machines. The repeatability of it, if we run timber and at the end of it we're a few pieces short, you've got to go back and try and match that dimension, which is impossible. It's not with these. There is only the 2 of us in there at the moment, and when people come in and see what we're churning out, they're amazed that 2 people can get the work out the door that we can get out in the time. And it is due to our skill, but it's also due to the amount of wood these machines can eat in one go. The machines have allowed us to go after bigger contracts. We work for the likes of Wimbledon, Lords, Hilton UK, Hilton Europe, some of the big breweries likes of Daniel Thwaites, Brewdogs, all those jobs. The 2 of us, if we had traditional old school wind up, wind down machines, we probably wouldn't be able to go after that because we wouldn't be able to machine the material up quick enough to be able to meet the deadlines that customers like that drop on you 3 days before they need something. With everything I do with the business, I buy the best I can get because I don't want to have to replace it in 2 years or 3 years. So to start with, the spindle moulder didn't really do anything. It sat there for quite a while, but as the business has grown, it's definitely come into its own. Now we're getting back into the furniture world. We're starting to do some great big cuts on the ends of feet of table legs, and you wouldn't be able to do it on any other spindles. The company that supply us with our cutter blocks came out and he said it's the nicest spindle moulder he's ever seen, and he sees an awful lot of machinery, so that says quite a lot. These machines haven't been serviced and they start up first time every time, and they don't argue and they don't have sick days, so it's good.